Let me show you how to turn on eye tracking in iOS 18. First thing you need to do is tap on the Settings app. Tap down and look for Accessibility and tap Accessibility. Tap down and look for Physical and Motor section. You should see eye tracking. Tap it. Eye tracking allows you to control your device using just your eyes. iPhone should be on a stable surface about 1 foot away from your face. Now, eye tracking is at the top, the slider is currently off. We're going to tap it to turn it on and we'll start the process. Follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. Try not move your head, just your eyes. This may take some time. Remember, eyes. It may be tempting to move, but don't move your head. The reason you're doing this is to calibrate the eye tracking for the iPhone. And the check mark's here, and we're on. An on-screen pointer follows the movement of your eyes. When you're looking at a selectable item, such as a button, an outline appears around it. To select or tap an item, rest your gaze on it for a few seconds. This is the idea, anyway. Oh, it's done that again. Not what I planned. And I'm just turning it off. Hold on, and it'll turn off in a second. And there you go. That is me turned on eye tracking and turned it off. I hope your experience is better than mine. I do have difficulty with it. You may not have the experience I have. The experience may be more useful to you, but I would need to spend more time with it to get used to it. I don't know if it's something I did or some people have experienced better results than me. I hope that's you. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful or you found it amusing. If you could like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to be informed when the latest videos are dropped and live on YouTube. Thank you again for watching all the way to the end. I much appreciate it. Hopefully I'll see you next video. You take care of yourself. See you soon. Well, that didn't entirely go according to plan.